This is a universal doormat and it's in gray, but they have other colors to choose from as well. And this measures 42 inches by 35 inches, but they have another size that's smaller too. This is anti-slip and it's also durable and washable. You can use this indoors or outdoors, and it's perfect for your front door, back door, garage, porch, patio, front entrance for work or home. And this is low profile and it also is easy to clean. And this is also weatherproof surface too. These mats are waterproof and moisture resistant, so it's great for outdoor use too. And they're also very easy to wash. It's made of a PVC material, so all you have to do is spray it with water and it's very easy to clean. Now, if it also gets wrinkled during shipping, it's so easy to flatten it out. Just put it in the dryer for 5 minutes on high heat. This is also BPA free, and it measures about 1/4 inch in height, so it's going to have easy door clearance. I was sent this from Slip to Grip, and I think it is awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.